Ramanuj, people who are buying real estate, my big advice to them, whether it is a 50 lakh property, 50 crore property, doesn't matter what the price is, get the due diligence done. Hire an expert, hire a lawyer. I know a few clients of mine who will not buy anything without getting a due diligence done. Despite, I may call myself an expert, but at times for many projects before selling them, I will go to the developer and I'll say, okay, I understand you have RERA, I understand you have everything, but I need to get a due diligence done from my lawyer before I go ahead and sell it. So it is one of the most important things. Before you invest, get the due diligence done from a lawyer. A real estate lawyer who understands of that specific state, how it works. Get it done. And that's a good a career opportunity for young lawyers as well. I'm telling you that the need is going to get very high because people are now getting educated about it. Now they are understanding that we are investing in crores. It doesn't matter if we spend a few thousands. Only a lawyer can look at all the aspects of it. One thing is, there are two kinds of lawyers. There are certain lawyers, they will say, okay, this will not work, don't go ahead, it won't work. And then there's another lawyer who will say, okay, 9 out of 10 things are all right, we can move ahead. However, I want this 10th thing to be done, and then we'll move ahead this way.
Right.
Somebody who's coming with a solution. Mm-hmm. But if a solution isn't there, which I don't think so. If there is a piece of land, if there's a piece of real estate, the solution is always there. Somebody who's coming up with the solution, no matter how difficult that solution is, then it is upon the buyer and the seller to adhere to that, so that the transaction can be worked upon. That's why I will appoint a lawyer, right? Make sure that my investment is secure, and to make sure that the transaction goes through. Because I've liked the real estate, that's why I'm appointing you. Whichever lawyer I have come across, mostly have been solution finders, except maybe a couple of them. But most of the people, I have loved working with them. They've always come up with a solution.